Hi guys, welcome to my page. A little introduction about myself. My name is Macy Lee, and right now I'm working on receiving my Information Systems Associate of Applied Science transfer degree in the software development track. Uh, right now I'm currently just taking 2 classes, and I've never had previous knowledge of JavaScript, CSS, or HTML. I mean, before this, I took Visit 103, so I knew like SQL, and that's about it. But a little more on my website. Hold it to that. So here is the coursework. There we go. And I thought the most challenging part of this whole website was actually building or the styling, because I like a trial and error approach to it with the boxes, which is right here I made. I'm just using for the artifacts. It was hard to try to perfect it, to get like the right size and the positioning. And it was like the most repetitive and time consuming part of actually this whole project. And I didn't use a template. I built this from scratch. I wanted to implement what I've been learning throughout this class and see if I could do it. So here's my artifacts module. I have the time and date throughout the link. It's my about, a little bit about me. And then for my peer review, I got feedback from Jill Pickett, and she said that the style is consistent on every page. It's easy to access the links. I did notice that on the articles page, however, that the images of the projects have failed to load, which I can show you again. I mean, I see it from my end. I tried looking at it through other browsers, trying to see what else it could be. Maybe it was the path, but I'm not really sure. I tried, but it loads fine for me. Let's see, we'll go through some more pages. It's my creative page. I actually uploaded an episode from my podcast, so feel free to listen to that if you want to, but you don't have to. Contact, the date and everything down there. So thank you for looking at my webpage.